welcome back to Gardening with Andrew. Today we're looking at the Moonflower, which is a fantastically large type of morning glory. Most morning glories only get about yay big, and this guy is totally white, and it can get up to allegedly 7 inches across. Talking like that big. It's a big boy, and it's slightly iridescent, so like a cat's eye, when you shine a little bit of light on it, it glows. And it only comes out at night or like evening kind of a thing, or in the morning, one of those two. Morning glories typically only open like in the morning for a few hours. This guy is like an evening one. I don't know. All of this is just stuff I've heard. There's a lot of mystery and intrigue about this plant. Iponia alba is its botanical name. The alba part means white. Anytime you see that in a plant name, it just means white. Like Albus Dumbledore. And some morning glories are vines. Some grow on the ground and kind of vine along the ground. There's actually a kind that's endemic to the California Valley that maybe is a local, maybe not, but it grows in all the cracks in the pavement and things like that. So this kind is the vining type. And it's going to grow fairly high, maybe as tall as me, kind of a thing. But again, all of this is just stuff I heard, so it really depends on your conditions. It's high light, good soil, lots of moisture, but not too wet, and it's kind of the classic thing. So sort of the same stuff maybe you'd want to give a tomato. Around these parts, we're in the Zone 9 USDA Hardiness map. If you want to check that out, see what zone you're in. All the different parts of our country and the world have different growing zones. And if you look on their website, you can see which zone that you're in. You can look it up by zip code. It's real easy. And that kind of determines, to an extent, what kind of plants you can grow. You could have a greenhouse like we're in today, and that allows you to grow stuff that normally only grows in a warmer environment. But you know, unless it's heated, you can really only grow so much. So for us here in Zone 9, the Moonflower is a annual, meaning it's going to grow in 1 year, do its thing, and then die all the way back when the frost hits. It's really all down to the frost. But if you're in Zone 10 or 11, theoretically it can grow on as a perennial, although really any kind of hard frost will probably kill it. Although you can do things to save it, and like you can dig it up and bring it inside for winter and like put it on ice kind of and just hold on to it. So that's an option too. But we're going to grow it as an annual in a pot, and we're going to plant a few in the ground as well, and we're going to grow some directly in the ground, and we're going to grow some in pots and then put them in the ground and in pots.